Okay, here we go. I've got this carburetor clean now, ready for overhaul. You want all these mating faces where you're going to take it apart clean. Should be able to read all the writing on it. Screw heads are clean. Orifices are clean. You see the gold color, no grunge on it. That's what you want before you put it on your workbench to overhaul it. So how do I get it this clean? Very simple. I used paint thinner. If you live outside of California, ordinary paint thinner is Stoddard solvent. Don't get any of the water-based stuff, but the stuff that says Stoddard solvent on it is a great paint thinner. This is like a $2 can of carburetor cleaner. This is toluene and acetone, primarily acetone, a little bit of toluene. So that takes the gum and the crud off of the carburetor. If you can't get this for a couple of bucks, go to the hardware store, buy a pint of acetone, and just use it. Get yourself a plastic or a metal tray. Better to use metal because it'll eat plastic. An old toothbrush, some paper towels, and some disposable gloves. The chemical-proof gloves are a little heavy to do this, but you can do it that way if you want. No big deal. Just keep working at it. Took me about a half an hour of scrubbing. Used a screwdriver and paper towels to get in some of these little slots. Most of it done with a toothbrush. Just keep at it till you get it clean.